Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell for Rehab. Pay-per-click, commonly known as PPC, advertising and SEO may be the go-to tactics for generating calls for drug rehabilitation centers. This digital marketing strategy is simple to use and has been around for a long time. Reach clients with targeted ads. Whether you realize it or not, if you use search engines frequently, you are probably exposed to PPC ads on a daily basis. They're the results that appear at the top of the page or in a column to the right of the page when you search on a platform like Google and are distinguished from the other results by a small ad label. Who's clicking my ads? Competitors. It's a known strategy that competitors click on your paid ads so they will go offline. Click farms. Click farms are organizations that can produce thousands of clicks in minutes. Bots. Over 36% of web traffic is generated by automatic bots and scripts. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.